this is the unboxing. So we'll see. Oh. Muna's wants to know what's happening. What's going on, Muna? Let's see. Let's see if what the hype is all about. Well, that's cool. What is it, like a little? Okay. Kind of like a little postcard in a way. Cool. Let's see. Oh, it's a sticker. Cool sticker. Ooh. Man, look at that. How does it feel? Cool. You can feel the lines. Alright. Conspiracy. Ooh. How is it? Okay. That's cool. Let's look at the case. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, like they said, the kind of like movie credits. Okay. Go ahead and unbox it.
Oh my gosh!
Ooh, it's like it's a mirror too. Wow. Let's see your different colors. Telecon, just a theory. Wow. It looks good, huh? What's the T? Not a fact. Sleep paralysis. Ooh, I like it.
It has like a fingerprint on it.
Huh? Oh yeah, what the heck? Hey, we want a refund. What the hell? Let's strip up. That's cool. It's nice. Yeah, the case is nice. Okay.
Yeah.